now hear the case of State versus Miriam Stortman. The Honorable Judge Hughes is proceeding.
You may be seated. Hello, I'm Judge Hughes. Now, prosecuting, may you please introduce yourselves?
I'm Josh Andrews. I'm Annabelle. I'm Adam Shabdik. And our client is Nadia House.
Okay, you may be seated. Defense team, may you please introduce yourselves?
My name is Bridget Tracy.
My name is Brenda Arns.
My name is Max Acevedo. This is our client, Miriam Stortman.
Okay, you may be seated.
Great. Stand up, please. Alright. Raise your right hand like this. Do you swear to apply the law as given to you by the court and to decide the case based upon the evidence presented in this proceeding?
I do.
Saying that the evidence will show beyond a doubt that tonight, on the night of February 1st at City High School, Nia was going to her locker after hockey practice when she then saw Miriam and so she walked up to Miriam. And so then Nia asked to look at Miriam's notes, and this, for reasons unknown, angered Miriam, causing Miriam to grab Nia's hockey stick and violently assault Nia. This caused Nia to get 11 stitches to close the wound and gave Nia a mild concussion. Today we will call up Nia and Sheila Surgeon. The evidence that we will bring up today is the hockey stick and the map of the locker room.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen of the jury. I welcome you and I appreciate you being here to judge the outcome of this case. As you know, my name is Bridget Tracy, and I'm here to inform you that the prosecution will have you believe that Miriam Stortman acted out of danger and haste in assaulting Nia, but we are here to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that Miriam was cornered against a wall and Nia's hockey bag was blocking the exit, and Miriam was left defenseless. So as Nia got closer, Miriam threw her hands up to defend herself, and Nia's hockey stick hit Nia in the face. For this case, we will invite a bystander named Kyla Coker, who will strengthen what Miriam said in her police report, and who will also call in Miriam herself to defend herself. For evidence, we have submitted the hockey bag and hockey stick, as well as the diagram of the lockers to prove that Miriam was against the wall with Nia's hockey bag trapping her. Thank you for your time and consideration for the case.
Thank you. Prosecutors, are you ready to call your first witness?
We call Nadia House.
Do you swear that the evidence you will give in the matter now under consideration will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so you help God?
I do.
And how far away would you say they were from where you were when you heard this?
Okay, just in the hallway, so 20 feet.
So well enough to fully see.
Yeah, I saw. Yeah.
So you could
My locker is around the corner, and I ran around the
miss
corner.
her. I
So.
think that's what she's saying.
Yes, I did not miss here where she said. Because their locker's there, but then right there, and then if you go straight, and then you turn, my locker's over there.
But it was around the corner, correct?
Yeah.
Would it have been possible that you didn't hear as well as you could have if you were closer?
Well, I'd probably hear it closer, but it would, I still would have heard the same words. It's like if you were outside that door, you could still hear me talking.
But the tone could be different. Yes or no?
No, not. If you yell outside that door, I would still hear you yelling from in here. The tone. It would just be a little quieter.
Do you know for sure if she was yelling?
She was not yelling. I was giving an example. But she did have a serious voice.
Could that have been because of the project that was coming up and she was worried she wouldn't get a good grade?
It could have been. I don't know.
Are you done cross-examining?
Yes.
And would you like to ask any more questions?
So, if you just had to guess of what you think was going on, do you think that Miriam is being threatened?
Objection. This question is biased.
Just a question.
Why are you listening, Jed?
Objection sustained.
Alright, I guess you guys asked something. Okay. I think you're good.
Do you swear that the evidence you will give in the matter now under consideration will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so you help God?
I do.
Hi. What's your name?
Graham Markowitz,
And what's your occupation?
police officer.
Alright. Can you kind of describe what happened the night of the incident?
I responded to a call at City High School. When I arrived at the scene, I saw a laceration across Naomi Harris's face. She was immediately went to the hospital for care, and I did not obtain a statement from her. I did obtain a statement from Miriam Stolman, though. I brought her and her attorney to the police station, and she gave me a statement in the presence of her attorney. I also did get a statement from Kyla Cochler and Lucy Samuels.
Alright. Can you say a little bit of how Naya was, or how Miriam was kind of acting? Can you kind of describe how she was acting? Was it regretful or?
It was pretty regretful. She was very just scared, probably. The eyes helped.
Do you think she was a little bit shaken from what had happened? And did it seem like she was almost like, was she acting like it could have been coordinated to what had happened?
Yes, she was very surprised at what had happened and did see what she meant to.
The tone of voice I had during the incident.
I wasn't trying to have a threatening voice. As I look back on it, I'm regretful that Miriam could have perceived it in a negative way. I might have been feeling stressed about the literature assignment that was coming up, and I guess I just acted out of haste and didn't think about my tone of voice. I should have handled the situation a little better.
So you weren't actually threatening her, you were just, the extra strain may have been from the fact that you were just worried that you were gonna, that you had notes.
This question is biased.
Objection.
That's correct.
Wait, what does he ask?
Please be quiet.
Do you think there might have been any emotion of jealousy of Miriam against you for not making the hockey team and you did make the hockey team?
Very possible.
After you asked me for her notes, did she try to talk to you at all about make sure that you were actually threatening her?
She did not.
So she just grabbed the hockey stick and attacked you?
That's correct.
Did Miriam say anything before she grabbed the hockey stick?
No, she did not.
Defense, would you like to prosecute?
So you said that Miriam kind of has some jealousy for trying out for the hockey team, right? I was talking to my client earlier and she told me that she never tried out for the team. She does play hockey, but she never tried out. She tried out for basketball.
That is incorrect. She did try out for the hockey team.
You sure?
It says in my statement.
In Naya's statement, it says that she hasn't liked me ever since I made the hockey team and she did not.
Hey, it's not your turn.
Sorry.
Can you take out your statement here?
Yes. Yeah.
There's nothing.
There's nothing wrong. Yeah, it says here she talks about her basketball practice.
Are you done with this one?
Miriam Stolman assaulted Naomi House with a hockey stick. According to the statutes of Minnesota, whoever assaults another with a dangerous weapon is guilty of assault in the second degree. First of all, she was assaulted. She had stitches and a concussion, and according to the surgeon, she may even require plastic surgery, which could cost Naya's family money. Secondly, it was a dangerous weapon, which is a dangerous weapon is anything capable of producing bodily harm. And according to the criminal code, bodily harm is physical pain or injury, which Naya obviously experienced because of the stitches on her face and her concussion. use self-defense. Self-defense is necessary. It only can be self-defense if there was no reasonable possibility of retreat. And you heard it from Miriam Stoltman herself. She did not even try to go around Naya, even though there was a 9-foot space of hallway that she could have tried. And Naya never actually made any movements to hurt Miriam, despite her feeling threatened, which could have been a misunderstanding. Naya isn't perfect, but nobody is. For Miriam to retaliate in such a violent and quick way, without trying to run away or check to see if it was a misunderstanding, just proves my point further that Miriam is indeed dangerous and guilty of assault. She may look innocent, but looks can be deceiving. I hope that I convince you beyond a reasonable doubt that Miriam Stoltman is guilty of assault in the 2nd and 3rd degrees. Thank you.